If you want to crop an image in Photopea, whether you're trimming the edges, resizing your canvas, or creating a specific aspect ratio, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Photopea is a powerful free online editor, and cropping is one of the first skills you'll want to learn if you're editing thumbnails, social media images, or any kind of design project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project inside Photopea. Once your image or design is loaded, look at the left toolbar. This is where you'll find all the main editing tools, and for cropping, you want the crop tool. You can select it by clicking the crop tool icon, or if you want to work faster, simply press C on your keyboard. That shortcut instantly activates the crop feature. As soon as the crop tool is selected, you'll see a crop border appear around your canvas. This border has handles on the corners and edges, and those handles are what you use to control the area you want to keep. Anything outside that crop box is going to be removed when you apply the crop, so take a moment to position it carefully. Now click and drag any of the corner handles inward if you want to trim down the image from multiple sides at once. You can also drag the side handles if you only want to crop from the top, bottom, left, or right. This gives you precise control over the framing of your image. If you're working on a thumbnail, banner, or photo edit, this is a great way to clean up the composition and focus attention on the most important part. If you just want a general crop, you can move the crop box until it surrounds the exact section you want to keep. But if you need a specific shape, Photopea makes that easy too. Look at the top options bar, and you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Free. Click that menu and you can choose a fixed aspect ratio. For example, if you want a perfect square for social media, choose a 1:1 ratio. If you need a widescreen layout, select 16:9. This is especially useful when you need your image to match a platform requirement or stay consistent with a template. Once you've chosen your ratio, the crop box will lock to that shape, making it much easier to create a clean, professional result. You can still resize and reposition it, but the proportions will stay the same, which helps avoid accidental distortion. After you've positioned everything exactly how you want it, it's time to apply the crop. You can do this in two ways. The first is by pressing Enter on your keyboard. The second is by clicking the checkmark icon in the top options bar. Either one will confirm the crop and remove everything outside the selected area. And just like that, your image is cropped in Photopea. If you ever make a mistake, don't worry. You can usually undo it right away with Ctrl or Command Z and then adjust the crop again. That's one of the great things about working in Photopea. It's quick, flexible, and beginner-friendly once you know where to look. So to recap, select the crop tool with C, adjust the crop border using the handles, choose a fixed ratio if you need one, and then press Enter or click the checkmark to finish. That's the full process for cropping in Photopea. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.